Hello guys and welcome back to Crypto Hasi. For today's video, I'm going to show you another event from KuCoin. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment only. So always do your own research before doing anything else because crypto has a risk, guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the KuCoin Web3 XOG airdrop campaign. The prize pool is whopping 100k dollar worth of OG, guys. Right now we have 20k participants, and let me show you the event rules first before you decide to join here, guys. This event is for KuCoin Web3 wallet user only. The OG holder task requires holding OG on the OG mainnet, and all four events have independent reward pools, and user may join any of them. So completing co-mining will not affect other OG holder tasks, and we will take on-chain snapshots of eligible holding users at random times each day. So please ensure your wallet balance continue to meet the campaign requirements. And keep note that Apple is not a sponsor, it's not involved in the activity in any manner, guys. Let's see the complete guide here. Okay, so this is the complete guide. Also, you will see the tutorials on how you can get the OG token right here, guys. I include this on my description down below. Okay, so this is the task that you will need to do. The first round, you will need to hold at least 50 OG, guys. And then if you want to join, for example, this round 1, click go, and you must connect your wallet, guys. Okay, so follow OG Lab on Twitter. Round 1, and the mining XOG is already ended. The round 2, you will need at least to hold a 70 OG to get a share on 30,000 OG token, guys. Okay, so token holder campaign round 3, you will need to hold at least 100 OG, guys. Okay, on the Twitter, you will see a complete and clear guide right here on how to join on this event. KuCoin Web3 Wallet X OG Holder Campaign 100k OG 2025 to 2026 January 1. Follow KuCoin OG and co-mining. Like plus retweet plus tag 3 friends. Hold required amount of OG tokens on OG mainnet during each round. You can see this link on my description down below. Round 1, hold 50 OG, share 20k from December 4 to December 10. The next one is hold OG, share 30k OG, and December 8 to December 20. The last one, the round 3, hold 100k and share 50k OG, guys. And it will start on December 18 till January 1, guys. So bonus mining is OG by cloud hash rate to share 1,000 OG, guys. So this is the OG token holder campaign right now on the KuCoin. So don't forget to join here at the event, and always make sure that you are on the KuCoin wallet, guys. Okay, so this is the main event of this KuCoin. And also, guys, don't forget to check out these tutorials. If you're using web, please download the KuCoin app first, switch to Web3, and then connect your wallet by scanning the QR code with the KuCoin app, guys. Okay, you can do that if you're using a desktop. And also, if you are using an app, go to web on the top screen of your phone, and then on the bottom, we will see the discover and then airdrops at the top, and then select campaign and join, guys. Okay, you can enroll right away. Okay, so how can you get the OG and send it to your KuCoin Web3 wallet? So easy, buy OG from KuCoin Exchange and then withdraw OG to your KuCoin Web3 wallet. And you can see how to find your wallet right here, guys. Just click this one. And the co-mining, this is already ended, guys. You can also join the Telegram group of KuCoin. Right now, they have 80,673 members and 5,346 online. That's how big is the KuCoin, guys. So Telegram channel, so let's check the Telegram channel. They have 3,815 subscriber on their KuCoin Web3 wallet announcement channel, guys. Get KuCoin Web3 wallet. Okay, so this is the application, guys. KuCoin Web3 wallet. Discover, secure, and easy to use decentralized Web3 wallet to seamless multi-chain management, letting you manage all your addresses and assets in one place. You can have it on App Store, Android APK, and also on your desktop, guys. So again, this is Crypto Hasi. If you have more questions, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and like this video. So again, this is KuCoin, your Web3 wallet, and this is Hasi. Bye-bye.